I'm on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show me ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. And you say he been killing the vibe.
Hello everyone, this is Captain Foxy Firefox doing recording, and today this video is about how to operate a F111's bombing radar. I've seen even people who's had experience in the Gunship 3 had problems with using the bomb radar. It actually was quite easy to use once you get used to it. Essentially, I'm just taxiing to take off, and immediately I'm on the training, but this is my first ever voiceover, because I didn't have the right set, and I was at school when I recorded this, so I didn't plug it in correctly, so I have 50% battery, admittedly, but this is actually a replay. I just am doing voiceover because it's a little bit easier on me. Hopefully it doesn't register. But here I am taxiing. I was about to take off. Lining it. Full throttle. And after I just hit. And lift off. There we go. I don't know how loud this thing is, but it's loud for my ears. I think because I have the volume set to 100. I don't know. I can barely hear myself talk. But like right now, I'm at my screen's small because I'm doing voiceover, so I don't know if it shows. But I'm going pretty much low level, doing high speed, and great thing about the F111 is you can actually has an automated terrain radar with essentially, I assume it's radar, I can't remember what it was, but essentially it actually, excuse me, it's my first time so I'm a little nervous, but essentially it scans the terrain, and when there's a hill and you're flying low and fast, this will actually automatically pull you up to go over the hills and mountains. And see, I cut down to 86%. You see those two lines? Those are important. The one that's going up and down, that's your y-axis. The line that's to the right, I don't know if it's left for y'all, but it's right for my screen. That's your vertical. No, that's your horizontal. That's right. Vertical is up and down. But I'm at 86% throttle. That's important, but that's the best throttle. You can go so fast and still have the bomb radar be accurate. And there was a MiG 17 flying above. You see, there's two little arrows. The one that's going down, the other one says off. The first arrow, that's the indicator where the bomb will drop. The other arrow, and there's the MiG 17. Sorry, I have some easy distract. But that first arrow, the one on the bomb, that's the indicated drop of the bomb. The other arrow, that's you. You want those two to meet perfectly, and then drop your bombs. Right now I'm carrying 4 Mark 84 bombs, 2,000 pounders, so basically one shot killed pretty much everything. But yeah, see, I was trying to move because my radar wasn't locking on to the target like I wanted it to. I think I was bombing an airfield in this one. And it's really cool. Cause watch, I'm level. I go low. Oh god, it's lagging. I'm not sure if that's gonna be for y'all or mine. Well, here we go. We're coming in. And I'm lowering off. I've locked onto the target. Now, it's best to use for low altitude, not high altitude, because it's only made for low altitude bombing only. There's a variant that has a see how the two come together? Once they come together, you see there, once they come together, drop your bombs now. There you go. I dropped one Mark A4, and look at that, direct hit. As you can see, it's actually, yeah, I dropped another one. This was fun. And for this one, I just dive bomb pretty much. Well, I didn't really dive bomb. I see, no, this is technically dive bombing because I'm actually putting my nose down, so it's considered dive bombing. That's MiG-17. Dropped all my bombs. This for insult. There you go. Yeah, that's pulled away. And this is probably going to be into my commentary. Just drop some more bombs just for fun. But yeah, this is pretty much it, how to use the bomb radar. And I love that. That's cool. I got low, I go fast, I have to full afterburners and get out of there. So yeah, this is pretty much it. It's very simple. When you do this right, you can hit anything. Just make sure to have it in the right place. So this is Captain Fox's Pirate Fox signing off. Good hunting and enjoy the rest of the flight of me landing. Actually landing perfectly. 'Cause I'm not good at landing sometimes.